Hey, what's going on guys? Sandeep here from itechfever.com, and this is a very common issue with Windows 10 that sometimes it won't connect to Wi-Fi. Doesn't matter how hard you try, but it won't connect at all. In this video, I will show you some tips and tricks which will surely help you to resolve Wi-Fi issue with your Windows 10. Before making any changes to Windows 10, you should always check if the Wi-Fi is turned on by physical keys. You need to check your keyboard or the physical button to turn on the Wi-Fi. Like you can see, this Windows 10 PC is unable to connect to internet and it is not getting Wi-Fi signal at all. So if this is issue with your Windows 10, then the first thing you should try is go to Start and open Control Panel. From there, go to Internet Options and go to Advanced tab and then click on Restore Advanced Settings. And it will reset the internet settings. If there is any misconfiguration, then it will resolve. Now click on Apply, and you can also click on this reset button to reset Internet Explorer settings. This is not necessary, but you should do it as well. And after that, it will reset internet settings, Internet Explorer setting as well. Now check if you are able to connect to Wi-Fi or not. If not, go to Start menu again and then Settings and click on Network and Internet option. On this window you will get an option to troubleshoot internet connection, so that Windows 10 troubleshooter can automatically fix the internet issue, Wi-Fi issue. But before clicking on troubleshoot option, you should check if the airplane mode is turned off. If it is turned on, then turn it off. Now click on this troubleshoot option and select all network adapters and click on Next. Now this troubleshooter may find some issue with your Windows 10 configuration or Wi-Fi issue, and if it find any kind of configuration issue with your Windows 10, then you will get an option to fix that issue, so choose accordingly. So after this step, you should try to check if the Wi-Fi is working or not. If it is still not working, then scroll down to this page, and now you have to click on this Change Adapters option. You will get your Wi-Fi listed here. Make sure it is enabled. If it is disabled, right click on it and then click on Enable. Sometime a conflicting program or Windows update error may cause this issue, so you should always check your Wi-Fi adapter settings. After this, you should check if the Wi-Fi is working or not. By any chance, if you are using Windows 8 or lower version of Windows, then you can find this option by going to Control Panel and then Network and Sharing Center and then change adapter settings. You will get your Wi-Fi adapter listed here. So if you are using older version of Windows, then you can enable or disable your adapter settings from here. So after this, you should check if the Wi-Fi is working or not. If it is still not working, follow the next method. Now press the Windows plus R key on your keyboard together to open Run dialog box and type there devmgmt.msc. Then click on OK, so that we can open Device Manager. From the Device Manager, you need to find Network option, Network Adapters, and expand this network adapters. Now find the network adapter which is installed into your Windows 10. It may be Broadcom, Atheros or Realtek, and these are the network adapter from virtual machine, so ignore them. Now right click on your adapter and click on Properties. On this window, click on Driver. Now if you are getting a Wi-Fi issue with your Windows 10 after an update, after updating your Windows 10, then click on Rollback Driver so that you can revert the changes and select any region here. After that, you should click on Yes, so that we can revert the changes after the updates. Now click on Power Management and make sure the first option is unchecked, allow the computer to turn off this device. So you should uncheck this option and then click on OK. After this step, you should restart your Windows 10 and check if the Wi-Fi is working or not. If not, then come back to this screen again right click on your network driver and click on uninstall device. Now you will get this option to uninstall the device. For the first time, you should not check this option to delete driver software from the device and then click on uninstall. After that, restart your Windows 10 and check if the Wi-Fi is working or not. And if it is still not working, then uninstall network adapter from Windows 10 and select delete the driver software from your device. And if all these options doesn't work, then you need to update your network driver. Now again, right click on your network adapter and then click on properties and click on driver option and then click on update driver. Now click on this option, browse my computer for drivers, and then click on this option, let me pick up from a list of available driver on my computer. And you will get different version of drivers available on your computer. So you have to select that driver with the recent updates, I mean the recent version of driver. In this case, the last option is having recent updates, I mean latest driver. So you have to select the recent one and then click on next, and it will install that driver. And if the latest driver doesn't work, then you can play around with older driver as well. After that, restart your Windows 10 and check if the Wi-Fi is working or not. By any chance, if it is still not working, then go to Start and search for CMD, right click on it and run as administrator. You will get CMD here. Now type in on CMD netsh space WinSock space reset. Then hit enter on your keyboard and it will reset your network adapter. And if you are not getting this message that successfully reset the WinSock catalog, then you can type in another command which is netsh space WinSock space reset space catalog. Now both commands are same. If the above one is not working, then you can try this command as well. And it will fix any kind of socket error with your network adapter. And the next command you can type in on the CMD to reset IP logs by typing netsh space int space IP space reset log.txt. After that, hit enter on your keyboard and it will reset all the IP logs from your Windows 10 PC. And you will get a reset message, this kind of message that resetting OK. This is not necessary, but you can execute this command safely. You should check if the network services are running or not. Open the run dialog box, type there services.msc, then click OK. And you will get a list of all the services inside your Windows 10 PC. So the first service you need to find is DHCP client. This service is not directly connected with Wi-Fi issue on your Windows 10, but it is responsible for internet on your PC. So make sure this service is running. If it is not running, you will get an option to turn on this service on the left hand side. And the next thing is that make sure all the network services are running. Scroll down to this page and find the network services, all the network services, and make sure they are running. If not, you can right click on them and go to properties and make sure their startup type is manual or automatic. After that, you should click on start. And some of the network services may not start depending on the various things, but you should try to start all the network services. Like this network connection service is not running, so you have to find the network service which is not running, select them and click on start. You should check all the network services and make sure all of them are running. If not, you should always click on start to run all these services. And also make sure all these network services are set to automatic or manual. Right click on those services which are stopped and then go to properties and select their startup type automatic or manual. After that, click on apply and OK. Now scroll down further and you should check if you are getting any kind of Wi-Fi service. If the Wi-Fi service are stopped, then you should turn it on as well. If you find any Wi-Fi service which is stopped, then you should turn it on. Starting any kind of these services won't affect your Windows 10, but it will help you to resolve the Wi-Fi issue. So after that you should check if the Wi-Fi is working or not. There may be another issue if you are getting Wi-Fi signal. When you click on connect, then it is stuck on connecting for a long time. Then you should right click on your network option, I mean Wi-Fi name, right click on it and click on forget, and it will remove the saved password from your Windows 10 PC. After that you need to put your Wi-Fi password and it will connect. So that's all for this video guys. Hope this helped and thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe. Also press the bell icon to get notified and I will see you in my next video.